Hi friends, welcome back to EduTap. In this session, we are going to discuss most important MCQs on accountancy for upcoming UPSC EPFO examination. आपके साथ ऑलरेडी काफी सारे सेशंस कंडक्ट कर लिए और इस सेशन में और आपके साथ इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs डिस्कस किए जाएंगे। तो फटाफट से क्विकली लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज सेशन। So friends, in the EPFO EO 2021 examination, 116 selections were from EduTap and we are again ready for the upcoming APFC and EO examination. And are you guys ready for the same? Do let me know in the comment section. So let's start by taking a look at the homework question. So this question was, purchase of a fixed asset on credit basis is recorded in cash book, purchase book, journal proper or none of the above. सो कैश बुक के अंदर आपकी कैश ट्रांजेक्शन आती हैं, आपने क्रेडिट पे खरीदा फर्नीचर, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक। परचेजेस बुक के अंदर आपकी क्रेडिट परचेजेस आती है ऑफ द इन्वेंट्री ऑफ द गुड्स दैट यू आर नॉर्मली डीलिंग इन। तो आप फिक्स एसेट खरीद रहे, इट इज नॉट योर इन्वेंट्री, नॉट योर स्टॉक, सो अगेन परचेज बुक इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी द आंसर। आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी जर्नल प्रॉपर। तो जर्नल प्रॉपर इज द रेजिडुअरी जर्नल जिसके अंदर जो एंट्रीज कहीं और नहीं आ पाती रिकॉर्ड कर दी जाती है। So any fixed asset, if you are going to buy it on credit basis, it is going to be recorded in journal proper. So correct answer is going to be option number C. Chali, let's start our discussion with the first question. Salary has been paid for 11 months from April 2011 to February 2012, amounting rupees 22,000. The amount of outstanding salary shown in the balance sheet will be. Options are 1833, 2000, 1000 or none of the above. So my dear friends, in this particular case, you have paid salary only for 11 months and for 11 months the salary is 22,000. For 12th month, for the month of March 2012, your salary is pending. So monthly salary, if I have to compute, how much this is going to be? This monthly salary is going to come out to rupees 2000. Okay, so 2000 rupees salary is pending or outstanding which has not been paid. So in the balance sheet, this rupees 2000 is going to be reflected as the outstanding salary. So correct answer has to be option number B. So as discussed, option number B is going to be the correct answer. Now moving on to the next question, rupees 5000 was spent by Saroj for addition to machinery in order to increase the production capacity. This amount is going to be revenue in nature, capital revenue in nature, deferred revenue in nature or liability in nature. So rupees 5000 has been spent. So this is addition to machinery. And the most important point is that this is going to increase your production capacity. Your efficiency is going to improve. So this is going to give you future benefits for a long period of time. So this thing has to be capitalized and would be shown in the balance sheet. This is not revenue in nature. If you remember, in one of the previous sessions, we discussed a question in which you replaced a worn out part of the machinery. So that was a revenue expenditure. But here we are spending something and it is going to result in increasing the production capacity. So this is going to be a capital expenditure. So as discussed, option number B, capital in nature, is going to be the correct answer. Coming to the next one, Prakash sells goods at 25% on sales. His sales were rupees 10,20,000 during the year. However, he sold damaged goods for rupees 20,000 costing rupees 30,000. This sale is included in rupees 10,20,000. The amount of gross profit is going to be. Now this is very interesting. सो प्रकाश ने सेल किया 10,20,000 का और इसके अंदर 20,000 का ऐसा सेल है जो कि डैमेज्ड गुड्स का है। 30,000 के डैमेज्ड गुड्स आपने 20,000 में सेल किए। सो योर नॉर्मल सेल, अगर मैं नॉर्मल सेल की बात करूं तो कितनी हो जाएगी? नॉर्मल इज गोइंग टू बी 10 lakh of the sales that you have made. And on this normal sale, gross profit is going to be how much? 25% of sale. So 25% of 10 lakh is going to be 2,50,000. Okay. So this is going to be the normal gross profit. But on another transaction of rupees 20,000, you have incurred a loss of rupees 10,000. So 30,000 के goods को आपने 20,000 में sale किया, तो this is a 10,000 loss. So normally you made 2,50,000 का gross profit, but you also made 10,000 का gross loss. So overall I can say that the gross profit in aggregate is going to be 2,40,000. So correct answer should be option number C. So my dear friends, I hope you are able to understand this concept, how we did the calculation part. Correct answer, option number C. Next question is, A purchased a car for rupees 5 lakh, making down payment of 1 lakh and signing a bill payable of 4 lakh as a result of this transaction. Assets will increase by 5 lakh, liabilities will increase by 4 lakh, assets will increase by 4 lakh, both B and C. So आपने कार खरीदा 5 lakh का, so your assets, if I talk about your asset is increasing, your car is increasing by 5 lakh, okay? And you have made a down payment of 1 lakh. So your another asset, your cash or your bank balance is getting reduced by 1 lakh and signing a bill payable of rupees 4 lakh, okay? So your one liability, one payable is increasing by 4 lakh. So ultimately we can say that your assets have increased by 4 lakh, but your liabilities have also increased by 4 lakh. So both B and C is going to be the correct answer. Option number D would be the right answer. So as discussed, option number D is going to be the correct answer. Coming to the next one, Gauri paid rupees 1000 towards a debt of rupees 1050. तो आपका जो डेट था वो 1050 का था, बट आपने 50 रुपीज का डिस्काउंट ले लिया है और 1000 रुपीज ही आपने पे किए, which was written off as bad debt in the previous year. Gauri's account should be credited with. तो लेट्स सपोज कि मैंने जो है गौरी को लोन दिया हुआ था, मैंने लोन दिया हुआ था 1050 का, ओके? तो मेरी बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, अब मेरे को गौरी से पैसे मिले, मेरे को गौरी से कितने पैसे मिले, अब इसके 1000 रुपए मिले। साथ ही ये भी बोला गया कि मैंने इस डेट को तो बैड डेट राइट ऑफ कर दिया था पिछले साल में, जो 1050 का डेट पेंडिंग था गौरी से। सो आई गॉट टू नो कि गौरी इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एबल टू पे मी बैक, सो आई डिड दिस एंट्री बैड डेट डेबिट to Gauri 1050. Okay, 1050. I made this entry in the previous year itself. So Gauri's account was made zero. It had nil balance, and this bad debt, it was written off to profit and loss account. Now in this year, current year, what happened is I received rupees 1000. So I'm going to make entry bank account or cash account debit rupees 1000 to, this is not going to be credited to Gauri account. This is going to be credited to bad debt recovered account. Okay, so this is something you have to know कि bad debt recovered account में credit करेंगे, ना कि गौरी के account में। गौरी का account already close हो चुका है, पिछले साल ही close हो गया, बंद हो गया। But अगर आप पैसे मिल रहे हैं, this is going to be credited to bad debt recovered account, which is ultimately going to be transferred to my statement of profit and loss. So in this case, Gauri's account को हम credit करेंगे क्या current year के अंदर? करंट ईयर की बात कर रहे हैं इस सवाल के अंदर, करंट ईयर में इसको क्रेडिट नहीं करेंगे, तो गौरी's अकाउंट शुड बी क्रेडिटेड विद निल. So as discussed, bad debt recovered account is going to be credited and not the Gauri account. So correct answer is going to be option number C, nil. And my dear friends, if you are enjoying the today's session, you are learning some new things, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Coming to the next one, Ramesh, an employee, gets salary of rupees 10,000 per month. He withdrew goods worth rupees 1500 for personal use and got salary of rupees 9,000 in cash in the month of March 2012. The excess payment of rupees 500 should be debited to. तो रमेश एक एम्प्लॉय है, उसको 10,000 रुपए महीना सैलरी मिलती है, और अब एक महीने की बात बता रहे हैं, ये मार्च की बात बता रहे हैं। मार्च महीने में व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि यहाँ पे रमेश ने क्या किया, अपनी दुकान से जहां पे वो जॉब करता है वहां से कुछ सामान उठा लिया। रमेश, लेट्स सपोज, इज वर्किंग एट अ जनरल स्टोर, सो ही गॉट सम normal groceries or other some normal stuff from the shop itself worth rupees 1500, and the owner of the shop paid him rupees 9,000 as salary. So in totality he got 10,500 in the month of March. Okay, 1500 के goods मिल गए and 9,000 के उसको यहाँ पे cash payment हो गई. So 10,500 का यहाँ पे उसको मिल चुका है. तो आपको एक्सेस पेमेंट यहाँ पे बोला गया कि आपने 500 की जो है ना वो कर दी है यहाँ पे रमेश को. अब इसको क्या करना चाहिए आपको, ये 10,500 जो आपने पे किया, आप इसका क्या करेंगे? देखो, अगर आप एक बिजनेस ओनर हैं और आपने किसी एम्प्लॉय को एक्स्ट्रा सैलरी पे कर दी है, तो आप उसकी नेक्स्ट मंथ की सैलरी से उसे एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. सो दिस 500 व्हिच हैज बीन पेड इन एक्स्ट्रा is going to be adjusted from his salary in the future months. So this 500 extra is basically the salary which has been paid in advance. So this should be debited to salary paid in advance account. So correct answer should be option number D. So as discussed, this is a salary paid in advance. So option number D would be the correct answer. Next question is, an old furniture was purchased for rupees 10,000. It was repaired for 100. The repairs account should be debited by. A very easy, very simple question. आपने repair पे 100 खर्चा है, तो how much should be debited to repair account? Very good. Repair account should be debited with rupees 0. This 100 rupees which has been spent on making this old furniture usable or to bring it in the working condition is going to be included in the cost of furniture itself. So you are going to debit the furniture account by rupees 10,100. Repairs account is going to be debited by nil or by rupees 0. So correct answer क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे? Correct answer is going to be option number D. So you have to remember this cost concept. You have to remember this cost concept. Okay, you have to capitalize the initial amount you are spending on any old machinery or any old furniture. Next question, rupees 1,000 paid as rent to Krishna, the landlord, was debited to Krishna's personal account. This error will affect the trial balance, not affect the trial balance, affect the suspense account, or none of the three. So when you are paying rent, so what should be the entry? Rent is your expense, so you should debit this rent rupees 1,000. And if you are paying it in cash, you should credit the cash. If you are paying it in bank, you should credit the bank. And what has to be done? And this is the entry which would be passed. Rupees 1,000 से ऐसे entry हमने pass कर दिया. In this case, we have made a mistake. हमने entry क्या pass कर दिया? हमने कर दिया कृष्णा के personal account को debited. We debited Krishna's personal account by rupees 1,000 to cash rupees 1,000. Now ultimately tell me, is the total of debit and credit same? The total of debit and credit would remain same. आपका total debit credit का 1,000 है, हमने भी 1,000 ही रखा हुआ है. So in this case क्या trial balance पे effect आएगा? Trial balance पे कोई effect नहीं आएगा. So you have done this mistake, you have committed this error, but this error would not affect the trial balance because the totality of debits and credits is not going to be affected. So this error is not going to affect your trial balance. A very easy question. So correct answer is going to be option number B. Next question, depreciation arises because of. Options are fall in the market value of the asset, fall in the value of money, physical wear and tear of the asset, or none of the three. So depreciation क्या होता है? अगर आप कोई फर्नीचर खरीद कर लाते हैं, 10,000 का आपने लेट सपोज फर्नीचर खरीदा. अब ये 10,000 का आपने लेट सपोज टेबल और चेयर खरीदा था अपने ऑफिस के लिए. अब ये जो मशीनरी जो फर्नीचर आप खरीद कर लाए हैं, इसको आप यूज करेंगे. लेट सपोज इसकी लाइफ 5 इयर्स है, आप इसे 5 साल यूज करेंगे और हर साल इसकी जो वैल्यू है ना वो कम होती रहेगी. दूसरे साल इसकी वैल्यू 8,000, फिर 6,000, फिर 4,000, फिर 2,000 रह जाएगी इसकी वैल्यू. तो इसकी वैल्यू में जो गिरावट आ रही है क्यों आ रहा है? क्या ये मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ द एसेट कम हो रही है? क्या वैल्यू ऑफ मनी कम हो रही है? क्या फिजिकल वियर एंड टियर हो रहा है एसेट का? तो यहाँ पे आपका जो एसेट है आप उसे यूज कर रहे हैं, यू आर फिजिकली यूजिंग इट, तो उसका फिजिकल वियर एंड टियर हो रहा है, आपका एसेट घिस रहा है और इसीलिए उसकी वैल्यू कम होती जा रही है. तो डेप्रिसिएशन मेनली अराइजेस बिकॉज ऑफ द फिजिकल वियर एंड टियर ऑफ द एसेट. हालांकि और भी रीजन हो सकते हैं कि व्हाई योर वैल्यू ऑफ द एसेट इज गोइंग टू डिक्लाइन, बट द मोस्ट कॉमन रीजन ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन इज गोइंग टू बी अ फिजिकल वियर एंड टियर ऑफ द एसेट. सो दिस इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन वाज आस्किंग. सो ऑप्शन सी शुड बी द बेस्ट आंसर. So option C is the answer here. Now coming to the next one, this is going to be a homework for you guys. The cash discount allowed to a customer should be credited to. Options are discount account, customer account, sales account or none of the above. तो इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर आपको कमेंट्स के थ्रू बताने. We'll be waiting for your comments. So my dear friends, we have different courses for upcoming UPSC EPFO examination and the aim is to ensure your success. So you can check out these courses. You can get more details on our website or you can call us at this number or you can simply mail at hello@edutab.co.in. So आज के लिए इतना ही. This is it for today. Thank you. Bye. Take care. All the best.